It is sweater weather, and it's going to be for the foreseeable future. But cozy knitwear can be just as fun and versatile as summer styles. Here to prove it is fashion expert Michaella Shannon, who joins us in studio after so long.
Finally.
It's good to see you.
Thank you, Tracy.
So the knits are having a moment, and you're seeing them everywhere in the stores, in the streets, on the runways. And this is a style, this sweater vest, which could read a little bit dowdy, but not when you style it like this. So walk us through this look.
Right. So sleeveless sweaters are taking over, and of course, they're so much cooler than the 90s. On the runways, we're seeing tailored vests, sleeveless sweaters, sleeveless jackets, and of course the sweater vest. So the most popular way to style them is with the button-down white blouse, and I've chose a satin one just to give it a more dressy feel, and I've paired it with a pleather pant, which is from RW&Co, one of my favorites as well, because they have a breathable insulation to them, so they're warm for fall and winter. And I've paired it with the white, clean, crisp sneaker. And again, you can wear this with heels or booties as well.
Yeah, it works with all of the above, but I really do like the crisp white sneaker. I don't know how people keep the crisp white sneaker looking like that. It's like you got to walk on like so carefully to keep them like that, but they look amazing on an outfit.
Yes.
The next trend, actually, you are rocking. So you are doing the whole sort of matchy-matchy twin knit set, and we're seeing a lot of that. Talk to us about that.
Yes. Cords have been huge throughout the pandemic, especially matching knit sets.
Yeah.
So I'm wearing a matching knit set from a Saskatoon-based designer named Rebecca King, and she is known for her knitwear designs.
Yeah.
She's a staple to fall fashion. I love her knit sets specifically because she has the matching ones with pants, so you can get the pants or skirt. She has all of the bold fall colors, so a mustard yellow, a more deep blue pastel color, and you can all mix and match them. So you get so many possibilities, so many different outfits, and you're warm, cozy, comfortable throughout the day, and you still look well put together. I've paired mine with a little pair of Manitoba mucklucks loafers, so they're super comfy.
The Manitoba mucklucks are so comfortable. So everyone I know that owns a pair, they wear them constantly. The ones inside the house, the ones for outside, just enjoy them. Your feet will thank you. And I love the fact that the trend actually matches the season. Because you want to be warm in fall, you know? And a knit is going to be super comfortable and warm as well. And stylish if it's this sweater. So we're talking now about cable knit. This is never, to me, it's never going to go out of style, but the shoulders are just giving me life right now. I love this look.
I love this look as well. And just like the sweater vest, you know, the cable knit trend always comes back around. Made its debut with the fisherman, but today it's super chic. And I actually have 4 trends in one here. You know, the pleather or leather skirt, again from RW&Co. The cable knit sweater with puffy sleeves, which I love, and a chunky boot as well.
Yeah, this is a great look. And you say you would even, when it starts to get a little bit chilly.
Yes, I would put tights, black tights under, a sheer black tight under the skirt as well to provide a little more warmth. And again, the cable knit sweaters comes in so many different shapes and sizes. You can get long ones, cropped ones, turtlenecks, crew necks. Yeah.
It's lovely. And you tucked it in, which is nice, because I feel like the thing with the cable knit is I'm not really looking for more bulk, but if you can have an opportunity to tuck it in, then people get to see your waist and you're still in the hot trend, so that's really nice.
Right, you want to watch your proportions, yes, because it is a little more bulky, and you can also wear it more casually with a blue jean and a sneaker as well.
Absolutely. Okay, let's move on down to her. She's really cute. She is rocking a knit dress, which I think is one of the most comfortable things you can do this season, and it's just done very stylishly.
Yes, the pandemic has prioritized comfort, and the knit dress is one of the greatest ways to, you know, just walk out the door and be well put together and be comfortable and warm for winter. And I love the knitwear dress too because, you know, it's great for all shapes and sizes. It stretches over any shape and size, and it's great for maternity as well.
That's right. We've been talking about dressing the baby bump, and this is lovely. And listen, it doesn't matter if you are, you know, a size 22 or a 2. This is always going to be a flattering silhouette, especially if it's a little bit more body skimming. Love the nod to the monochromatic trend as well with the boots and the coat. Very nice. Yeah. Last but not least, the bralette. So we're seeing the bralette happen in knit, still trying to find the perfect one for me because there's so many out there, but I love how you've paired this with a suit.
Yes, the knit bralette is trending all over Instagram and the runways as well, and nobody wears bras anymore.
I'm still in one. I miss the memo.
No one likes to wear bras
I don't
anymore.
want to have it on. That's very true.
Yes,
so this is a nice alternative.
Why not opt for something soft and comfortable? As you can see, this one is cropped here, so I do like to wear a more high-waisted pant with it, and if you're not comfortable with something that's cropped, you can opt out for a knitted tank top and tuck it in as well. I've paired it with a menswear inspired suit, so an oversized suit. The feminine bralette pairs perfectly with the suit as well, and a ribbed black purse to accentuate the ribbing on the knitted top as well.
Great color, and I like the fact that this is a nice way to balance out that oversized suit. As like you said, Michaella, it's all about proportions, right?
Yes, yeah.
So enjoy the knit, be comfortable and super stylish. Thank you.